Hi, I love seafood and prawns are my absolute favorite. The reason being they are fastest and easiest to cook. So here I am sharing with you another prawns gravy recipe, prawns vindaloo. This is an Anglo-Indian recipe. It is very spicy and tangy and best to go with your rice, rotis or appams. So let's head on to the recipe, and if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So first, into a blender add a piece of ginger, some 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon mustard seeds. Now some whole spices like 4 to 5 cloves, 1 piece of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder and 5 to 6 dry red chilies, along with 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Please don't skip this because it will give that exciting and inviting red color to that gravy. Now grind these spices along with 3 to 4 tablespoons of vinegar. Do not add water, just use vinegar. Grind it into a smooth paste, and this is how the vindaloo masala should look like. Now let's head to prepare the gravy. Heat a pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 onion diced and 1 green chili slit. Saute it for a few seconds and then add 1 tomato. Once the tomatoes are softened, add 500 grams of cleaned and deveined prawns. Now all that is left to do are very few steps. That is, add the vindaloo masala paste along with half cup of water and salt to taste. That's all you have to do. Now just cover and cook for another 3 minutes or till the prawns are done. So here's your Anglo-Indian prawns vindaloo gravy. If you tried this recipe, do let me know your review in the comment section. Till then, keep subscribed and watch out for my new videos. Thanks for watching.